Okay, I got a couple questions on the electrical control box that I built for the restored 1962 Radial Arm Saw. And the box is down here. And the question was about these little low voltage switches. This is the control saw, which is really neat because this has a bracket over it. When you turn it on, it's very difficult to push and you can't accidentally bump into it. That turns on the saw. And the kill switch you just hit with your thumb or your palm of your hand. Now these low voltage lights, I just added LED strip lights to the work scene. Watch. And all they are is sticker LED tape. Really easy to wire. And I figured while I'm at it, I might as well put in one for the drawer. Because at my age, I have trouble seeing things in shadows. And I built a new compartment down here and it's pretty rough. But I built it to throw in all the old saw blades, which I have hanging on the wall. This came with a collection of saw blades. So, in order to see down here, you just flip the bottom switch, and then it's not dark anymore. Those are really easy to wire. Very difficult to solder because the wires are so tiny. But they use minimal power, it's only 12 volts. And I figured while I was wiring it all up, I might as well do it right and get some light on my workspace, like so. Well, that's it. Thanks.